This is Hannah Lee. Hannah gave her heart to Jesus Christ, and we're going to baptize you, my sister, in the name of the Father, and the Son, and the Holy Spirit, bearing His likeness, raised in His glorious resurrection.
Lovely. I think it just broke one. Good morning, y'all. I just came inside from feeding the animals, and I'm currently fixing to wash the eggs that I just collected this morning. I typically do not wash the eggs because they normally stay on the counter in a basket, but it's been pretty muddy here lately because we've been getting a lot of rain. So I am washing the eggs this morning because they did have a little bit of mud on them from the chicken's feet. I'm just using this little silicone egg cleaner sponge thing that my mama got me. I think she got it from Amazon. I'll try to link it below if I can find it, but it's in the shape of an egg, and you just put it on both sides, whatever side you're washing, and it has the little silicone bristles on the inside. And the eggs were not that dirty, so I just used water to clean them. I didn't use soap or anything. Good morning, y'all. It is very hot outside today. I think in my last video we got the horses hay. Today we have to get the Highlands hay, and I also have to go by the store to exchange a bag of pig feed because they gave us the wrong one the other day. Usually I always double check it, but I wasn't there. I have to exchange it because they gave us like a grower finisher for meat pigs, and I have mini pigs and I always get a mini pig feed for them. I'm gonna go exchange that and grab the cow's hay. feel like my vlogs have been kind of boring lately because I've pretty much just been running errands. I'm hoping in the next couple weeks I'm gonna redo the fencing in the horses pasture, the one line that's like really bad. I think I have the materials I need to do it. Whenever we first moved here, the fencing job, oh buddy, the fencing job was like really rushed, so it was never really done the correct way to begin with, and we just kind of like patched it here and there ever since then. I want to just take down and redo it. I think I have the fence that I need, but I'm hoping it's enough fence anyway. Most of the posts are still good, so I'm just trying to really replace like the wire, and I want to add like boards on the top so they can't really like lean over the fence. So I will be vlogging that most likely. Tomorrow I'm hoping to empty out the barn because the barn like needs a deep clean, like really bad, and I want to like take everything out, take all the chickens out and pressure wash it, and, like all the walls and everything, the spider webs. This mirror is really low, so I'll probably vlog that tomorrow as well. I do have to go into work tonight, so I'm trying to hurry up and get back with the hay so I can get ready for work. Alright, first stop is to exchange the feed. Alrighty, I got the right pig feeds, so now I'm gonna head to the feed store to grab the hay. It is currently 12:24 and I haven't eaten lunch, and I had a small breakfast, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and grab me something to eat, and then I'll eat something small before I go into work later because I still have like 4 hours. Hey Miss Amanda, can I get the grilled chicken sandwich meal on toast, no ranch? I wanted Zach sauce on this side and then no tomato. I'm sorry.
Alright. Anything else I can get for you?
That's it.
Alright, I have a grilled chicken sandwich combo with no tomato, and you want that on toast with no ranch with Zach on the side with a medium Coke. Your total is $10.80, and I'll see you at the window. Thank you.
Thank you. I'm very complicated sometimes, but it's so good. Oh my goodness. Alright y'all, I'm back home now. I was gonna show y'all the baby, but one of the cows that's not even the calf's mom is like super protective, and she was like kind of close to the baby, so I didn't want to get chased again. I think I'm gonna go ahead and end today's video here because I gotta go and get ready for work. But I thank y'all so much for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed. I'm sorry this video was short, but I love y'all and I hope you have a blessed day.